Hello to you guys. I'm going to um, give you a shortcut way of approaching the partial fractions. Okay, so in this question, we have 5x plus 1 over x squared minus x minus 12. So when you see this, the first thing is to look at your denominator. And we can see from here that this right here can be broken into a product of its factors. So by doing that, I'm going to end up with 5x plus 1 over, and with this, you can use your calculator straight for it. So no need for explanation about this. So we can get this. And after that, I can now equate it to my, because they are both linear factors, we just have a over x minus 4. Let me just rewrite the whole thing again here so that we can see that thing clearer. So we have 5x plus 1 over x minus 4 x plus 3. So we equate it to a over x minus 4, and we have plus b over x plus 3. So at this stage, you would agree that I will now try to find the LCM here, but I'm not going to go that way. So the trick here is I'm going to now look at this one, a over x minus 4, and now come to my denominator. What will make this denominator 0? 4. When I exchange x with 4, it will make this denominator what? 0. Okay. So in that doing, I'm just going to enter this side into my calculator. So if you have your calculator, you just enter 5x plus 1 over x minus 4 times x plus 3 into your calculator. And since we are trying to insert 4, x equal to 4, into this function, if we insert into it, this side will go to 0. So the best thing we are going to do is to clean this side. So in the end, we are just going to have, let me write it here. We are just going to have 5x plus 1 over x plus 3. And when I insert x equal to 4 into this function, I'm going to get the value for a. So you can try it for yourself. You see that your a will just become 3, because 5 times 4, 20, 21. So 21 on 7 just becomes 3. And that's the easiest way you can get your values for a. So the same thing for b. Let me go back up. You can see that let me rewrite this denominator again. So we have x minus 4. So for the b, we also have b over x plus 3. So the same thing, we are going to try to make x plus 3 go to 0. So that's when we add negative 3 to 3, we get 0. So we can change x to negative 3. So as we did for the a, I'm just going to do 5x plus 1 over x minus 4. I'm just going to ignore the x plus 3. I'm just going to ignore this one, because if I insert negative 3 whilst this one is there, I'm going to get an undefined solution. So when you fix x equal to negative 3 into this, you end up with b being 2. Uh, so in the end, you'll be able to find your a and b as easily as possible in less than a minute. If I were not to be talking, I'll just do this in just a minute and I'll go on with my solution. So that's all for this lesson.